Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, part 3 working on the van. I gotta tighten down a part, but I don't have a 10mm, so that's got to wait. But what we are gonna do is one of these filters is by the same thing as that filter, and Dad doesn't know which filter, which number. So we're gonna go here. So this is a 1455. We just replaced that, so we shouldn't need that one. I think it's this one, which is a 1068. Now, whichever one is in the van, whichever one is in that, is the van. Alright, we got this on. That's running 10mm. We got our oil filter on. Our drain's nice and tight. Dad's filling up, putting oil in it now. Put some antifreeze in here, or this stuff. Got the battery hooked up to the van. It doesn't want to seem to turn on, which isn't good. Alright. As you can see, you can turn the key on. It does not light up, so that's not good. So the lifter went bad in the van. That's why this even never started. There was a plastic piece that holds the lifters in place that broke. So then the lifter turned, and that dented the cam. So that's why it's even apart. Everything here off. I got one of these guys in. Here it's saying everything found 10 codes. There's ABS, all that stuff. Tire pressure, that we don't really care about now. That can, that tire can wait till we get it running. So powertrain, body, let's see, powertrain, engine, control module. We have this intake, camshaft position, alternators, knock sensor module, okay. Body, let's see these. Okay. Other than that, seems everything's fine except for this. Battery was dead, so we put stuff in it. Oil life, we just changed it. Oil level is good. So here's the old cam. There is the dent that it gave, and that's why we lost all wheel pressure. But nice cam. Alright, so we had some leftover wires here that I had no idea what to do, but we figured out. We ran a roadway over here. We got our lights and our ground back there. So I had to pull these out so we could run it. Clips underneath here, right there, and right there. Just one step further. We had run out of steering fluid, so Mom went and got some. Scanning it again, make sure there's nothing wrong. And here it's still throwing surface airbag and stuff. All the lights are on, which either those are there's something actually wrong, or then I'm assuming it's just from it not have been running for so long. Alright, start the van for the first time. There it is. She is running.
something like?
I have no idea because we did it right. We're blowing blue smoke. Right here, it's very high in blue smoke. Alright, that's good. Everything here, going all out of everything's good. That's awesome. Fired up first. I would like to say at least a month, but I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, smoke coming out.
Just step on it a little bit. Just a little bit. Do it again. Still has that exact same tap side.
I know.
It sounds just like it did. Set it idle.
Alright, well, my phone blacked out, but very smoky, that's for sure. Good, just runs. Smoky well. Drives.
It still has that same tap.
Engine got hot on us and ran off. Don't start. But it was dead, so. That's all I have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you in the next one.